Down where I get now. I love my people. I love you all. We are going to deal with a woman today. A woman that's Magba. We are going to deal with that woman. The sex of Morocco. The barrier Ashawono Benny Water. So let's go there. Kada baba o. Salobo yime.
If you want no person, you no go force person. I want to see, one give me medicine. I got money, you want me spend my money. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to. I'm a winner. Just when you got the winner. I'm not doing it. That's what if I'm doing it. Let me do it and I do it how I do it. Allow me to enjoy myself. 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 If you know what I'm doing, something you do, walk out the show, something you do, walk out the show,
I love you all. Allow me to enjoy myself, I beg. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Sa Majesty, it's your oracle. The music, a comedian of one entity. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọmú gàmì, ọ̀kẹ́kẹ́ bùgọ́dù, ọ̀túnlẹ̀mú gàmì. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọmọ gàmì, ọ̀bí gàmì, ọ̀bára ìsọ̀bí wà. Oh,
Aproko, please. I want to tell you something. I love all the bloggers all over the world. Aproko, you not too much. Gossip not too much. Any bloggers, God will bless you now because I will see which one they do for outside. Me, I'm not worry. I'm there for now. The main thing is that, please, as now they do this advert for way, none of the promoters, they don't know. Now they promote us with one way or the others. Because if they don't share this video, nobody could see how we take behave. So I beg any video you wanna share, you know, they write good things, good content. Please, that is my apology. Please, I beg you all. We all us, we want to upgrade ourselves. You know, fighting. Those bad people in our group, we are going to sandpaper them out. Especially, mostly, physically, academically, somebody like Monica and Ivie, we are going to sandpaper them out of this group. You understand? So, don't worry. I'm ever ready. Day and night. I'm ready for them. 301 years, we are going to fight this battle. But for me, 301 years. So pray, no video. Pray. You are going to be day hard working, no video. Because here, if you are quick, right? I want to be first of all, what time you been? What you doing? First of all, so let's macaque bear. You want to mark Benin? Macaque which are there? Emani with birthday there now. Macaque get which you happy birthday. Now, before yes, Macaque. Which Emani with birthday there now, please. I have dignity with birthday. I have presenters with birthday. People that, you know, that matter. So that is the reason why I just want to celebrate with all. I'm a father to everybody. Despite what you did, despite what you say, I don't think about anything. We all are one family. But mind the way you do something. Saga will not stop. If you are praying for Saga to stop, you are praying for your downfall. If you are praying for Saga continue, God will bless you. That is one thing. Saga is not by fighting. Saga is just anything that you know you have been keeping in your mind. Bring it out. You know, I want to agree. I want to where ti guan. So you understand. But then you voice it to the people. Yes, if the man okay this was not right. You understand? So that is Saga. Maka Wuche about Obaze, the crack boss. Yes, say it in Niger. CEO about Obaze, the great presenter, superstar, celebrity, wisdom man, a man of, you know, intellectual, a man that said, yes, let's form a group. Let's take it to forward. That is Togba family. So all Togba family I greet you now. Today, we got to celebrate a great man. A man of integrity. A man of wisdom. Intellectual. Gorgeous. Handsome. Everything you talk about. He always stands for the truth and nobody truth. A man that never fear. Fearless man. He's not afraid of anybody. If you want to talk, he talk. Because he feel that some people feel maybe if you are in abroad, you can say something. But Abat Obaze is not like that. Whether he's in abroad or he's in Nigeria, if you want to voice, he voice. He's not afraid of anybody. People think that maybe during the election, many of them were attacking because of the way he used to approach many people. He used to bring them down because of Godwin Enowase Obaseki. And today is the birthday. So we need to celebrate him. If you don't know him, let me bring the picture. If you don't know about Obaze, if you don't know him, just I will show him to you. Abat Obaze have done a lot of things for the Edo people. He has done good well for the Edo people. He always stands for the truth and nothing but the truth. He means what he's saying, and he must fight the battle to the end. He never go back anything that he's doing. You know that people hate, some people belong to the other side, they hate him, but he never lose. He said, I will make sure Togba family will be on top of the enemies. And today, we all are happy. So let me give thanks to Abat Obaze, and the family, the lovely wife, the handsome Bobo. Handsome Bobo, that is the lovely wife. Ew, Abat Obaze! Abat Obaze! This is the man, a man of integrity, a man of science and wonder, a man that said, Obaseki, don't worry, whether you give me money or not, I will voluntarily fight for you to become the governor for the second time. Yes, Abat Obaze won. So please, wish him a happy birthday. I want everybody to help me to say, Abat Obaze, just write the name, Abat Obaze, happy birthday. That will make me happy. Abat Obaze, happy birthday. Abat Obaze, happy birthday. Let me play that music. Let me dance for this guy. Yes, I call him my son. Abat Obaze. Yes. So let's play music for that. You want to act Benin? All right. Happy birthday music. Nigeria. Yes, let's go there.
That is all I can say. I wish you many
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's Kola here.
Oh yeah.
It's Uche here.
Oh yeah.
It's Amadu here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Every once in a year, there's a special day to celebrate and jubilate. All your family and friends, everyone must attend to wish you well, to hear and tell. Oh, happy birthday. That is all I can say. I wish you
Mary, Mary, happy returns.
happy birthday. That is all I can say.
I wish you Mary, Mary, happy returns.
Knock, knock.
Oh yeah.
Can I come in?
Oh yeah.
Knock, knock.
Oh yeah.
I just want to say
Hey, do shakara.
if they try to go for Yakata,
Hey,
today I do Shakara. Tisha Deja,
oh yeah.
Oyo Deja,
Oh yeah.
Efe Deja,
Oh yeah.
Kofi Deja,
Oh yeah.
Ajua Deja,
Oh yeah. Asa dede. Efa dede. Ina dede. Yeah.
today I do Shakara. If they try to go for Yakata, today I do Shakara. Go, 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 go. Today I do
Do shakara.
If they try to go for Yakata, today I
Hey, do shakara.
go, 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 go.
Happy birthday, Albert the one.
They try to go for Yakata, today I
Albert the one. Albert the one. Albert the one.
If they try to go for Yakata,
Albert the one.
do Shakara. Go, go, go.
Once again, let me show the picture of Albert Obaze because many of you don't know him. Well, he's a popular man, superstar all over the world. The world should recognize him because he has done a lot for the Edo people. You know, thank you, Albert Obaze, for standing for the truth. Yes, this is the man. Albert, oh! Yes. If you say PDP will win, PDP will win. If you say APC will win, APC will win. Now we the run sound, now we the do am, now we the televise sound, now we the stand. Once we stand, go forward. So thank you all. God bless you. So the next person we are seeing there is one, a presenter. He has a foundation. He has done well for the people of Edo State. He said, what can I do to help the poor, to raise the poor, to make sure that, yes, people who don't have food, go there and take food. Let me sacrifice the poor. Every week, every month, he used to buy bag of rice, money, work from one company to the other, spend for people, help a lot of people, people from the village, people from the city. He tried to contribute what he can do. Nevertheless, he still call on other people, please, let us help the poor. Sometimes there are some women, they will have child, but they don't have husband. He said, don't worry, I will take off your discharge. I will take off of you also, the mother of the child. Who is that person? Who is that person? Ambassador. 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 Amyeyao Efe Ajebo. So, if you have not seen him, this is the picture. He's a celebrity and he's a presenter. Let's show a bit appreciation for him. This is the picture, brothers and sisters. So, he's here. Ambassador Amyeyao Efe. Happy birthday. This is him. If you have not known him before, this is him. He has an orphanage home. He's still trying his best to make sure that, yes, the poor will get money. The rich will rich. The poor will rich. This is him. May God bless you for your contribution, for the advice that you are still giving the Edolite people. God bless you. So today is the birthday. So I am a man of integrity, a man of wisdom, a man that who always bring all his children, all his family, so that unity will raise the world. Because I can say that, yes, a lot of people say, Epa, 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 but my Epa is a meaningful Epa, not the backslide Epa, not the poorless Epa. Epa know what it's doing. May God bless you all. All presenters that do well, may God bless you. But presenters who are gossiping, who are jealousy, we cannot celebrate them because we know the reason why we are celebrating the good. May God bless you. So let us have a music for him also. Nice, 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 nice. Today is your birthday. Nice. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Not be mistake.
Not be mistake.
Birthday party. I will call. I will give you the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Let's go there. Give back, never lie.
Yes, people make sure say you want your money. No be mistake say today na my birthday. No be mistake say I was born on Sunday. But we celebrate a million old as today. All I came around, I don't know where I was. No be mistake.
Thank you all. Yes, that is. And one other of my sister, she's like a daughter to me. She's like a love to me. Today is also her birthday. Let us just wish her a happy birthday. That is, what is her name? Taiwo Lixa. Taiwo Osadiaye Lixa. Today is her birthday. We're going to use this opportunity to tell her happy birthday. She's here. Let me show you her picture. She's here. Taiwo Lixa. Man. Okay, look at her. Taiwo Lixa. Today is her birthday. You can see she's here. Please, I want you all to wish her happy birthday. May God bless her. I have a little music for her. Please just listen to the music so that yes, we can do something better. This is our daughter. May God bless her in Jesus' name. Amen. Listen to her. Listen to the music. Oh yeah.
Very, very many happy returns.
Oh yeah.
So I give you a big gift. Because it's more because it's cheap, and I know you will appreciate.
Oh yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Oh yeah. Very, very, very happy returns. Oh yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Oh yeah. Very, very, very happy returns.
You look so good.
You look so good.
Everyone is talking about you. Let's go on teenage, and I know you want to celebrate.
Oh yeah. I wish you happy birthday.
wish you happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very, very happy returns. You worry, so they eat just like I'm the best. Too many people all around, but you don't get the special way. Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very, very happy returns. Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very, very happy returns.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very, very happy return. Ooh, yeah. I wish you happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very, very happy return.
Thank you, there. That is our daughter, a woman of integrity, a woman that knows the meaning of a woman. He used to wish everybody who celebrates their birthday. You know, Tawolisa, if you are celebrating your birthday, and if Tawolisa, whether she knows you or she don't know you, she must celebrate with you. She like people who is happy, and she's always a happy woman. That is the reason, yes, every year we must join hands to celebrate her. She's a beautiful woman, a complete woman, a lovely woman, sexy woman, everything she has your quality. If you don't know her, I can show you again, once again. Thank you, brothers and sisters. She's here. Taiwo Liksa. Net disturb here. Yeah. Net disturb here. Yes. This is her. This is her. Net disturb. Net may not disturb here. So net I disturb get worry. Ni ma we my egg one ni ma chat my time. Because mama slack there. Abby, mama slack. Come and join the meeting. Thank you all. God bless you. So now, let's see some messages from WhatsApp. Oh God, breaking news, Chief Oko K. Oba house burnt down by IPO. Yeah, Okasunne, yes. Can I call you now? You did live video. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. So we got the message. Now, brothers and sisters, we are going to talk about all those people who don't really want to respect their dignity. Let's go to our talent. First and foremost, we are going to talk about the useless woman who always bring out, who always tell the world that yes, she's important, not knowing that fake life would never exist where I am. A fake life exists with Kenije. Anybody know he fake life in Mufua. Somebody like Monica Atuari or Monica Etokpolo. A fake life like today in a mudia you wear in a mudia show a camera. You got rare or what sometimes now in life Facebook man. You get our advice where my husband somebody called her that you may 35,000, I'll be 40,000, I'll be 30,000, 20,000. It's a guy that you may go near a dowa that behind you told you in Nigeria or near Weibo. You know, last time Monica no ho wagmo a way neru waladwa oginuwa and mama last time you tell people where Naibu in Nigeria that mostly a manner o ya mudia ise o ya stay ise abi then later on omana time where Monica la wo ogwani bo na we ge we jowa for many years e ma che oni gi jowa ge keni ebo wen se do I continue from there no vie ma yo ona sister why give me ade one you no wen ke ba so no make sure because tell oni boy because of being me assume e ma che oni jowa that woman and give you money to buy ticket and Lolo was aware when I Lolo you lie. Then you go home. Where you so what way anybody in abroad never invest in your work. Never invest fake life you are bet you are agmo. Anybody can invest in your work because I want to invest in your work. A man must stay, he said. Ni kore alpe ni adoloke ni aye ni abowa webo ni adowa. Many of them really like Vera Dowa. Confirm nihi. Confirm. But my fancy way. Bege my fancy way wa ba so we mu wa in Nigeria. Eje we no ko wa ko dewa. So Edioga no you now went to Nigeria. Okay, we live video na the boy. Una get una tawe this is my house. O take him a boy man. Yeah, wayape wano wa oje webo. What kind of contradicting something? Ute media, ute dia, ute mozuo, udo tori no ma. Why tori no ma do toro zuo? That is the reason why many other people not dislike. And then would be like you were. We get the way the worst. Let me step down. From there, when you turn a live video, who turn or say when I were hi, then on yawa on a color say we. No mind no soon. On yawa color say when I be Monica Itanai. Oh, one go me no, he had a boy. But when Monica Yatana yakin, we are now El sister Lao, Gin watch Monica. Nye tama or che when I wait or move botoa. Or move botoa. We may get us again, nigga at here. A lot of it did when a lot of when call it take boy. Because the family of that girl anywhere Otia Bowana Otia Nyawana we are new Bob by where we are laddie where or get a gewena him to our boyna. Now we are Yeninwamune Yenopa Monica so stupid woman. So stupid woman. Even now, we go to Walabaro one day. Why are we care with Wanama Bofoniwa or say, and I get holy my with Bible one better? I will see Kemia Feno like a Waya Banwa, Yahweh Buba, because everyone I was in Nigeria at that time. Or see any Lord night back, but I will know because a pressure no down there. No boy, a pressure no down with bottom. My people, see on yawa Ni correct o ma no nya wa America ye o me family ade tio ya fa be ene we obuwani but ote abandon for many years so Monica nya you seven we marry so yeri oni we na we tie osie mukunye gboto osie munye gboto that is intention na we otie ba osie ba we a jealousy or ye because ye jowa ye mego ye happy no we e ya fe osio igaru mogwe ne do vale kwa do se de na ne do tu se de na. Then Monica was so ignorant because a fool no idiot no and why be no ye use was walking na Edoya Orisa Webo again not a tier. This is the situation. Nimiyaga Monica and forget fake life Nuna. Fake life Nuna will not take you to nowhere. I was jealous in you, or jealous in you, or jealous in you on a live video. Hey, Naswan Tia Bononi. That girl never have that intention to insult Monica. Never. Then on every wala be machine on a gwale no very wala to call Papa Wala and said Eru wala give no suno. This is what is happening. Talk to your side chick. Get video. If not alive. Then he call this one. Watch this one be Okoino Amsterdam. No we can go dini. No he good. My engineer on a call Okoni at the Sagmo. Yes, on a call or call on a Guegua or now okay, I did not be wala in there. On not a we maybe or him no vejiru wala or my no bane. Or my no bane on our moon no bane on our mole. So this girl now find out on a ya my no ya call him on a boom when I get it no be wala. Or through Facebook or through WhatsApp, my no ya where on a yagbegie on a writing on a tower. I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to talk to you about something so that you can cool my friend down. Because on nowhere, eru wala back and away or get why no one eru wala no had be temperature be cool my day nezonate ladian. But Monica was an ignorant woman, a disgraceful woman, a woman with no ear. Ediemena ya vade. What reverse or it begiru wala call Lolo. I call Lolo na gwegwan this is what is happening. Ona we dey no kan wo why I ma kan egbe mi ona we gwegwan ge video na na kan we. Ina na kan we. Give me all kan ona we. So ona ge na miku ge ozuogeru wala ona ge na miku. So Ediemena ya be for many days, many months. Then Abe Melissa yake do la way. Yana do tama we. Eru wala ozazwe. Eru wala owe. Many days. Then Eru wala no me owa. I confront him where Ruwala. Emeni anatana. Oreke na doyo. We are in sebo. In loud woman, go back and to what Devenayo, Gatti Lolo, Gationa, Melissa, my baby on Agua, I don't know. But I know Melissa, no work make one day was destiny. Let me call it destiny, though it did not be Melissa. Me do I like I don't know how we were trying all way to stop all those people on Agua to make sure where if none of my brava. Isaac Omafo on a way when Mume line Lolo. But a record me now. Okay, Oyegile. They said I should not call you Monica. Oyegile. Anaway Namwe a Lolo line. Another Lolo line. Lolo talk well with Eruwala. Then me in our time Lolo. don't record him. Never in your life record the Lord. Now I promise you, sir, I will not do that. Not knowing where Lolo was so sharp and intelligent, and I recorded it. That's why I love you, Lolo. I will so much love you. Whether you have a husband, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Don't worry. You understand? Listen. Why damn him not saying away old video? Let me tell you, if no is sununa. Aya na do tam wawe. A Monica our brain wash every woman no le here. Every woman no le here our brain watching ya. Why no now where? Because eme ahia eme ade. No ya la webo. Ni Monica ya la webo. Monica is such a wayward daughter. Wayward. Any walakpa with Monica. Why no sunu? Any walakpa with Monica. Any wala in your team men. When I yen you are a boyfriend Monica. Agua yabun. Why no sunu? Why down yo? Why latest story? Yamu my line one. Why down yo? Hey Monica yen fo. Monica is not a woman. Now we win a sick or not la. You understand? Edit, you are blocked because when I correct Bologbe, we know why you why chatting me. We want me cool. Don't work with me. It was shock. My menok be we quite sexy. We know who we na gabai or can we. A boy already me gualo. My very sexy body me gualo. So yeah, we are going na Olori Jennifer. We going to no munyao or mudiafo. Yeah, Godi Rita. Yeah, mudiafo. Joyce, say, yeah, very but they block them. Thank you. Emani mudiafo yarema. Agnes, yeah. I want to work at the lap on it. Ewe na sema. Why I get do what my quick gay? Ewe na sema. Kema work here. Oh, fu. We might go. My will say the gag could talk work here. Oh, wow. Ya boa. Magmore program na. Magmore la magave. Ave Monica ne. Egbeya Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. We need a faith. We want a faith. We are faith. It was sexy ladies or man. But a retire town, my baby, a retire. I will go on. Udeggia, Abbey, the almost sexy. While we get a Jordan almost sexy. Almost sexy. I mean, Yarimana. I made the flower. So, yeah, gift Ojo, we give no ya ladia. The red shirt no joy. Udege, Sarah, Safina, Daniel, we get to no now. Ugbao nebo, Ugbao nagadege. Yeah, I own a go for Yakeyawu. A yarima. So let me continue my program. So, Amy Jonathan was saying, pretty brandy. We get to know we ma on a guy, but it's Tony no Dare night. But darling, now, but it's Tony na. Oh, I went Bond Street. Okay. Oh, Mujo. You don't tell me daddy get Bond Street, what Mujo? Yay. Equal in them and I never bought. Ojekile. No yellow ya what you want. Why to Nialo? Why to Nialo? It to no ballo. What is toge. I go to again in a way too. Only be masse. Again in a way too. Get no way too. What media do? Et to know be masse niamuyo. Condemnation. Why ave to negiari na wa gba me ye wa tututu eyan lo ya wotion eto ni ya wo pere nya ya weru wa la kugbe no bere so ave gbe ma ve lo ni we know they give them time at all We never. About 116. Okay, pretty diamond. I love you, darling. Hey, ma, sorry, ma. What I? Alalekia. Alalekia. Oh, what you kill while I didn't kill while I marry Polo. No matter, Bomena. Oh, what? Ruwala wari abien oro. Wa yi si wo. E kotoro ri sinoro. Ruwala fie ya ne. E ya oya me jage ya. O gba de ruwala we o agbon. Ewe na ya gbigbi agabe ya. Olugbe agwa munuju wa. Mododo to yin. Yin ha fi apa no we my God your tin na o. Okay, let's continue. We are listening. Thank you, darling. Peter Evelyn. So, this is what motivates Lolo. Lolo have to come out on our way. This insult was too much. Then, Oye Lolo Nandua, Salobana Gioye with a big one, Mariana Wadiavi. I still wish you a happy birthday. No more now, when Monica comes to live video. Hello. Oh, where's my darling? Do you? Hello, Batier. Bon street, no. Let us say, bon street, no. Now the local you away at her. And the Monica, oh, where the local you, Mattia. But yeah, we're talking money. La etone lolekia muyu da no enti do time mama lolekia etone lolekia muyu wa enti do time mama Monica ha ta wo ha ene Monica muyu wa do time mama da no enti ta iron sponge away iron sponge o muyu iron sponge ni amu yuni we ami of wedene ma Monekia iron sponge no mu yun of wedene de gbe game no na gben o wa te gbe to pa ni amu yun la ni hello de to ni amu yun Tony Amuyung, Monekia. Il est Joami Guane. Hello? Monekia. Frustrated hair. Sponge straight hair. Okay, sponge straight hair. Okay. Straight hair. Etone Monekia lo. Etone Monekia lo na guy. Sponge straight hair. Abege wa fia you want me power destroy. Osaboye call it Safa. Hello. Hey, what? Real life. All right. Sponge straight hair ni aloni. Wa mi o se eja megbe. Eja me ve de kan. Amevi awa de kan wa me tu wa to o wa gba lo. O ile gba lo na do ana iwe mugie. O mugie bien. O mugie no wa pitolet. Oni pitolet ya amukile lu hia. Ono he ya wo la video. O ga se la video of you. Wa mi ne to ya fe ya gba lo ne. E yira. O te oni ayayun ya lo yi. Ayun. O ya ayayun leto. Hello. Newtie. Newtie. Okay. Oh. Okay. Newtie. Confirm. Worldwide. Where's it? Oh, worry. If you wet time, don't worry. I dare your back. Thank you, my darling. May God bless you. So let's go there. Emi and Nathan, I continue. So that is the reason Lolo na Ladian, Lolo the good daughter of Edo State, Lolo that know the meaning of a mother, know the meaning of a children. Ona wa Ladian re emoekia, ona wacha. Eri ehia we nemi, Lolo na we. You go too far. You have go too far in my life. Obi me as a friend. Don't wake be manami when he ladian live video. Who do I make picture ladian? That was the reason the Lolo now where Ikuna is forever. Hello. Bush. Okay. I'll give you another name. Bush straight hair. I'm a bush straight hair. I'm a if you want if you public toilet where yes that public toilet. Okay, public toilet is when away bush straight hair. They buy okay straight hair. Then what you know panorama they buy all Basel straight hair. Then that is true. Then no panorama guy Eruguala straight hair. Eruguala ma kenakpa. Etone Monica imu yape is Eruguala straight hair. Why tie nyowe? Ba wa mi we Eruguala straight hair. Owe we na ya Eruguala we na ya dina we yes. A part Eruguala jona guy Monica pint Eruguala ojo eje nyowe because yema Eruguala manaro e Monica manaro e Kiruguala pagbe. That is the real thing. Then e Monica mana mwe Eruguala straight hair you Eruguala ma dagmo a den yan yi boro pit den yo. So Eruguala straight hair ladian Eruguala straight hair yiwe origwe Monica Dumezedo straight hair Dumezedo straight hair aka Monica. So Monica Bossa Monica Bossa on that bien. Avec commentaire là il y a bon awa il y a monsieur c'est bien derrière so who the bridge I don't know. Oh Agnes my daughter, my love, my shati, I beg when you water oga waiting for one call. Okay. Well, yeah. Monica Erugwala straight hair. Yeah. Yeah, boy, like that. The next, aka Dumes Edo straight hair. Erugwala straight hair. Monica, so on you for today. Ma ware do Erugwala straight hair. Wariku wahaso Erugwala. Erugwala straight hair. Monica, aka Monica. Ruwa wayata. Ofone. Hello.
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 Ipagamo. Wahia ati Monica uriye
Ambrose. Ambrose. Okay, Ambrose. On my radio. Adulterous straight hair, you know. Adulterous straight hair. Ambrose. Where you want to my mess? Come on. So let's go there. Erie e matana yasunu. Then Mora di midoma. Uwe mi yanuro. Ambrose Uwe bonila. Godi Queen. Thank you very much. So as I the pressure was too much from Dumezedo straight hair. Dumezedo straight hair, the pressure was too much for me. Then I decided to enter pastor. I said, let me go to pastor. I will not see any disturbance again from left and right. Then during my pastor work, going close to God, going deep to God work, people provoke me. People think that, yes, no more saga. And I was using one eyes to see presenters out there. Many of them were making noise. Good one were telling the world this is the right thing to do. But some of them always problem upon problem. Some of them were teaching what to do. They really think what to do. Then people were not calling Ipa. This is not true. Ipa come back to social media again and forget about the pastor. I said, no, I will not do that. Nothing will make me go back to those sagalistic or fatalistic or damagelistic, nothing. I respect my dignity, but this called Iye Boy, somebody called me today and said, Epa, forget about Iye Boy, that many people beg me on one platform to say I should not talk about Iye Boy anymore. I will respect the woman for one thing. Mama Boy, from today, if you respect your dignity, if you respect your mother, if you respect your children, because your children, if you respect him, please stay clear from all those things that you are doing. If not, ni amu a picture rivena. Madenia amu but yamu a picture rivena. Do any show ema issue ema mon yape. Nugenya deges evo ya bunibum. But because of women, the dignity women on him and rivena. If you want call me where daddy, man, you are a man or you many women called on my platform where let's forget about Iye Boy. Then I said, Did Wawika? Hello. Yeah. Okay. I'm a boy. Imuko. Ave mukola. But I am a benar go down or say, I am muko, I'm a banner. He died. From Victor. Iye muko wati ye. Amwebani. Amwebani. Your car friend there. A lady okpa. So lady ni na bu. Ona the boy. Ije boy. Yona we. Amwebana. A boy ni awa marry na hin. Yawe we die gbena. Iye again igi day. Oyi day ye boy wa mwekia omuye amweba muye onisa. Iye boy iwe. Oni na the ye boy na gbere. Jawe wewo. Ona gbere fokpa. Ya ugbina. Already iye gbere. Black and white. Jawe wewo la. Ado ato ni na ina gbedo a offend ihu. Okay. Ije me. I never know. Thank you very much, Wesley. My sister, you are very good and so intelligent. So, area mena gaya here ide before why was sunu wa maino. Evena do vawa. Do vawa ye bo we gbedo. We gbe offend me na gbedo live video. I mean I don't really care. I don't really care what people were saying. But once ye boy tell me no magba and I gbe ladia. Then a Judah now we are where ade but nevertheless ye boy or wa Jimmy wa gbe ladia. But ye boy, respect yourself from today. I will respect women because equal. Oh yeah, you might have no rotagmona. Ashara. Okay, thank you. So, yoga no until me I come with a mission. Yeah, they are mumu set of people. Thank you. You write their name. They are mumu set of people. So, then I come with a mission in a way, and I'm going to deal with two people. Because any cause a confusion here, this presenter segbe near I mudia as somebody. That was my mission. Okay, somebody called. Hello? Hello?
So.
NUTA.
Social media president.
NUTA. What?
So.
NUTA. Nino Yahoo.
Yes, so that's my great in-law.
Yes. Yeah.
What talk me?
He said.
He's a gift in a harakwa. Why do we want to commentators now? We call us now. Money sample. My kid no wa. Hallelujah. What it bama.
No, ni mai watie moekiai onaga dumezedo straight hair wano eni it yeke ya hu ya gunare eni eto do rimu nyaun dumezedo straight hair so you know.
Anyways, good evening, everybody.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Epa, I really want to appreciate you.
Thank you.
Want to say thank you. Kola, please, I don't want people to bring my boy issue here anymore. Please,
Okay.
I beg the house. Please, I beg Epa Lawo. I just want to beg you once again. Anybody not really tell me your boy, please cut it off. I beg you. Don't respond to it, Lawo. You have promised me, and you have promised us, not just me alone.
Okay.
Stand with it, stand by it.
Okay.
Any color no one more matter, cut it off. Don't go to it. We get why. So I want to appreciate the house. I want to wish Abaze happy birthday. I want to wish all the people you have wished birthday. I want to wish them long life and prosperity.
Yes.
And many, many more years of celebration in their life. And also to say my first lady, Mrs. Isoke Ida Osa, aka social media, first lady. I want to say thank you for your understanding. Thank you very much, Ipa. I appreciate you, all my lovers, all my followers, all your supporters. They supported you. They say thank you, sir. We all say we appreciate you. We are waiting for the D-Day, which is your birthday.
Thank you.
Show appreciation.
Thank you.
Show how much we really love you. Ipa Wese Kakabo. I want to say thank you.
No problem.
For giving me that honor, not that too much, for giving me that respect.
Yes.
To say, I really
yeah.
That is the truth. But that respect you give to you and me.
You said.
You said.
You said. You said.
No, when you mommy, you way. Oh, give me a fight back and money rock.
You said.
You said.
You said. Beggar. Yeah. Down. Aden we call me na no bana when we call me when I call me na no bana
by special nobody many here my
beggar o me ga je na me ma we no but no na wa ko na we am not reach I forgive he forget in our phone because he respect you you see.
Yes, this is a dear princess aka the God that leads other follow. No. This is Princess Sylvia one.
Yes.
Of the universe.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, everybody. You see, I have the respect for the women, and I will so much fight for the women, whether people like it or not. Not all women. A woman of integrity, a woman of signs and wonder. A woman that know the value of their husband. A woman who never cheats on their husband. A woman that know the quality of a man. Hey, a woman is so dark way. Do me straight hair. No, you so dark way. No, why? If no magba that mo no ya mwe 2 room for bomber on a car when do we vary London. Woya mu wa oboma was school the kwoma for yaka we do one. I oh we na ibelek wa we na. Oh we na do belek wa. You see your life? You see your dirty life? So when you ga dig here, then la c'est na ni cotton. C'est na ni cotton we geni wo do la. Central must stop. A partner, the G of the truth. Thank you. God bless you. So, Edie ave this Satan. Edie ave nana ekina ya fe ya de. De te gen do mezedo straight hair. Gen ona howa bagmon. Emiro non suppose. No ga hu na miwe ave nana ya fe eye do cordia. Okwo no be fake life. Okwo no ge. Okwo no go where too much gbe. If I go to Arwaya. That is the reason why sometimes ina ge go agwa in a way. Then he have finu gbe o mani ate finu ge. I come out. Ika we kwe mume. Ika wo mo too much se. Ika wo mo ife se or mo gallant se utagbona I come out openly the time anyway. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry will not take anything out of your body. Sorry will not bring you down. Sorry will not make you to be like somebody who can't. But sorry, when I turn it, let him go. but Emmanuel we time man no where yes help when I time we sorry we tell then where you move here where mu ahia do where mu here etik boa ne straight Dumezedo straight born hey aladia do time give I really offended you ona akipe give no leader to now what leader to why are damn him lolo tavern a lot where their plan before Keario Wani their plan was to use my paper okay use a paper here because they didn't carry away then okay the belgene on your loto yamu check it woto yamu check it wotoni ya wala we na no pa ni o de be ma ya eva fofo e de o ya la don we so don o de beg you ni gwalo ma no me be ya de give you ni we ya move e de ya eva ya je London kege ni ade ai ga dio wa mbo ise sigbe but what is no oni ye zoro ona we ye ti lu fake life I want to go back to my husband onakpa nyere do ato ge ma wa eri emi erekno eri emi no pa meanwhile we are social down here we are social you still have that right winner you have right to put on visa okay London you have the right to apply for London visa at the end as far as a social pay well, whom now they must give to you. Who fake life help. Thank you, pretty brand. So on a year apply where ya tour, you visit, ya tour, so person. Edio ya ko mudia na work area pe on tia ke do riene. Ya di eni ne dere. En na do ladian. Do ta where walare now nyoge nyeon YPN that iya musa yobo nyere mimi ya dai ariye wona ge pati e London iguwa en ya dupun iguwa o ya deto abe Dumezedo straight air no loni e ya be di bon straight Dumezedo straight air ni ya no loni so ona imigo ya de Dumezedo straight air ona imigo ya de Ave Alibaba Dumezedo Alibaba shirt ori mi go ya dele ya na ko ya fugbe na via de London ori we se London nu na do agbe unu e ma we gbe no lawa no we yin ma ri owe bayo to ni emu diare Dumezedo straight air wo irawo ona do ladian yes I got 2 houses yin wa do waiver yin wa de yana boya pe no rema nai ma ya pe no rema kiko kipia ibi go wa jaja ti adowa the London or anywhere webo you know answer question do wa easy na wa dere webo wa dokpa wa dupogeba ma be pe ni fake life here okay dey dey tam wa we yo yes weba why wa do NVA yeah, I want no why la dia ogele de jugu wa there. Okay, wa go the boy. That was the intention. What tell you wow. On my way, lot of people they are so wise, they are so educated, they are no more ignorant. E oga loge Dumezedo straight hair. This Dumezedo straight hair. Beno ye jena. Yanwe toji evyo wa. Eye bi ogwa o ye gwaleke ni amudiai na na nwina then erugwa la Dumezedo ona tie o ma pegbena ona tie wa da ho o tie o we be zona ino ya fo e woto nya sponsor emi ya fe no we be dagbo because when we are not so current where okay where actually a bill at one win and one we we be agbon so printer the computer eh go o kan yo bio na o pe na bio na o again you might what payo the many of you will not be fighting on live video where be nya o the result la jana ni ha jaga o the result la jana ni ha jaga o the la jana o jaga o the la jana o na nu wate take to ade because ayi na moya man ayi ne ma so do lose one enya te oni a o so wana na boss ya mame ge a boy no are gwa wedere no are gwa awe ya wa chale ya awe PA na do mi gari o doni for I so doni yo ona do mi several times ona do mi awe mi we nya o na settle mebe we do mezedo street Uruguay himself and ime my honey na settle that ni me ati u ni me kweyo wo ri result la dia oni na ti me be na to tama me we the result no hina we result DNA no o keti an forje edo yan ke forje re edo yan ke forje gie wati gie do mezedo straight air so waya pe na me wo the result la dia na ahwe yahwe he has sent the result again from Edo. Here ya kwe me computer. Wa me tana all the day la dia. Or idea la dia do pe the conversation. E boy na we ni ga pe. Or idea la dia na do pe. Wa ma all the day result la dia we yes. Here ya ge ne o awu yan nya o Edo ya ke we ge. Do no the result la dia. Wani boom be. Why we not even you? Why only passport in there? Maybe ticket or London era I made there €70, €80. Then we volunteer who are yabu you emu any police even of by body. Oh, tell me why baby mana sponsor money boom money better mona BSA presenter ma sponsor Mao, so that is the reason why they at last you talk. Wa mi odo show ewe obi ayawe test na wage why chama why kuyo edo yanke de ge bon straight hair tie iyan nebe ba tie uredo wa mi ni ati wedo ya we ya ne agwebo wazu wa we ya teme okpa wazu so what a plan with Daniel Paul whatever webu ni ne because we ateta fake result no whatever webu ni ne weto do atamima we agogo we yes egbe video right ye ga die la dia wa kwe wa ya fe wa imawu matime yo wa to bu wa la dia no watama we lare Kian yawowi wale ade ke ona we mama alone hello what hello yo ma kameni ayogi ani hina wa kan woni na mi e ti alo oge ni asawo ke la asawo na mudia me ama mudia ba so ni egba asawo no lare so we wa we na we tiny okay we see okay so and you are one of his top fans okay very so brothers and sisters I'm now letting you all know that a fake result in Ariel Ladiana very soon now is a proper lie. In Ariel Ladiana, yak be the something Ladiana because in Yaguan, so na recording ya, na send the Guen, you know, with you, tamame. So why worry if you have a good man? Yaga, when you tell me, I will, ni we okay na we wezo meti e we wezo na if no say na we wezo na ionu wani bi agbon the trust ni wa meme and meme mo no wa when I get this trust na man I get anyway e do we when I me why the line I we ya ti gbinigbina na se do for me I am do for me anyway yes eru wa la to boy na do la dia na wa we okay emi na ya fo e ye we Monica o ye to be ya we test o e Monica ta said that we nyamo we gani gian ya we test na den yongele nyamo then we will not forget this issue wa ya fe ma get radio 301 years me na ya fo wa so why say a test ni ari la dia ya the test la dia we mana areba mereba yin ya la dia we ya a test what e manage square so wa la dia wan ya wa la internet ya wa pion address na yo address hospital na igbon ya mo logo hospital ni yo ya mo stamp gbon sen ya mo yo we ya we ne o ya we no dey no buy yo nobody ari yo anybody we really call we am we either black or yamu we black a doctor no when London a black we with a doctor in London so I go wa mo hello how are you why are you calling this is name is Central Hospital where wa ba or wa gwan we wa do ta we hospital yo ala hello
Media president.
Enutie
Moye speaker.
okay mo yo ne
Social media president.
Enutie
Any social media president is a
counterfeit you know
Mami we.
Awa.
Our mentor.
You know
You remember our father.
you know confirm
You remember
only one
Agada Voodoo of Edo State.
yes Mokpano yes idege yes
I give you bosa.
thank you I feel you where say I love you too
to wish people where need your day happy birthday. You later what you do I can't love you more.
okay
I can't love you more. When I happy birthday.
Yes.
I wish you happy birthday.
yes yeah no I wish yes
My love, I bet when I continue to love our Ipa. Ipa is our mentor. They Ipa no, it gets in my ear stand you go there. How are you, ciao?
okay
Ciao, come start. This time around, why are lawa?
You don't know. No more awa
No more.
no more almost winner du mes dos straight du mes dos straight thank you so much thank you I love you too okay thank you where's it yeah where's it darling
yes back at 80 years old
even though now 100 years but it's like 35 years old girl it's like 35 years old girl Mami Ogbe Origbe Swagger. The best. The talking true people. Mano, the talking true. Manano. Yes. So, brothers and sisters, we are here to celebrate today and to diswawa this useless Monica of a thing. Monica, everything is upward. Our door. Where our door is? Anything positive where Emina ni hiau or emni una or God react to bar something there. Or the same blood or even the same blood. These are the two people. No, a destroyer, bad image, bad quality, evil meningitis. Oh God. Evil meningitis, evil characteristics. No that person in live video. Here, Bamana lie. A 659. Respect a settlement lie. No. That is the truth. Well, me Otonia only hate Bolawu. Yet Obiania, you hate don't because you make beverio. Take care of one of the way. Or care of one of the Buade of Bolokai hang a day. You make be. You may act best answer, Kedoade. Mopa. Wana a time. Awu wana ya pe no red line be dene na nigele mugel demeta wa etime mokpa eti gbere dio gen when I debame I don't have that power. So when you can about debame ne Monica 301 years Monica so e se wa san se wa ban o ya wa je o ya wa ra o ya wa gbe o we ki no de aye eri biebeje if you pitolet no hena yari ba mo be ba ni awo yi na ne o ma de ba ni awo yi na ne o wa si fat o wa cook fat o ya lu mo me o boy my so you mind me go wa ma we to ya chi de mi wo if you want to be adisagila ma ba oni mi tebe kan wo Sagin lama etebeka no ni ari sagin no because egbo sagin hero at all la ave yan ikimi wa be ake sagin lama bai now yes thank you Agnes God bless you. So ave mana watu wa wana mudiase wana hiase we are here where they are just confusionalize it, congratulate it, condemnize it, respect noise it. I respect Oma, I respect mind Oma, Oma Ragmo, because they are wayward daughters, wayward children. And the Nigeria being the Nigeria swan tamia where they are wayward. They have no respect. Yes, Wag me no you talk. Me wag yes na do mo e pa you waki. I go to Oxford University in Nigeria. Oxford University in Nigeria. What we hear you. So, brothers and sisters, where this matter of a thing, we are not going to bring our mind down. We are going to make it higher until we get the final digit of straight born hair, Dumes Edo straight born hair, and big toilets. Toilet in Ijo, toilet in condemn. We must get the two of them wipe up in this social media. I wipe here, social media become calm. Respect, celebrity, dignity people. ya dando edwa ya oni aso e love ni ma egbe ne wala egbe ne Dumezedejo is the awkward university in Edo State. The awkward university in Edo State. Onyo iwa condemn se. Dumezedejo is a condemned element. Motamwa. A man cannot be sleeping with a married woman. Then that kind of attitude is a wayward attitude. Yes, thank you. Back more your video. Dumezedejo is not a man anymore. Is a kabash and a condemned human being. We are condemned here. Somebody named regarding there. Ije Dumezedejo gbije nia. Dumezedejo gbije. Won ya gbije wa. Don na be yari asigo. Dumezedejo we. Dumezedejo we. Ojije di asigo. Cause dege we without him gbije wa because Modedo was a successful human being. But they never give Modedo chance to be close to her, to the mother. Papa Wala was using all sorts of rubbish, gang, cultists, and other stupid idea. Ama don't live by Niger. Ona di okunjo na di are Ghana. Ona di are Ghana ya we. Ije na susewu. O ma me na gbije wu. O kan we amuje yoto. Agboma yin mai. Yin ga akoko gijin ewu. Yeah, Dumezedejo. So that kind of a person is a condemned and condemnation and condemnations person. Is no more a human being. Epa, you are the best English teacher. Time phone. He was teacher right now. He teacher. He's a teacher. But we here. Now, Epa, you be English professor. Epa on daddy. Go. Thank you. So, Mama Keke, Nima give you one space to breathe. We cannot give them these three people being toilet not content, and Dumezedejo straight hair, and the Papa Wala. You understand? Those three people are the irrelevancies in the society. They are the irrelevancies in the societies. They are not relevant. They don't have name. They are so condemned. So we are going to basilitis on these people, strambilitis on these people, and confusions on these people. If not, if you give them that British face, they will penetrate. They will penetrate. So nobody should give them that British place. I beg you all the good presenters, brothers and sisters, and the commenters, anywhere you see them, comment and commentate. Comment and commentate so that Dumezedejo straight hair will be punished. Then the useless picturelet will be also punished. And so-called the Papa Wala will be so frustrated. Comment and comment it. You understand? Irrelevant test. Agnes, no cocky me. Agnes, baby, tell me we make more living. What you get with more, eh? We had to be one year. I was born yesterday. If you are. You are Zua. Lobet, Osas. If you are a born lion, buy a ticket and go home. You are just a loser to this. Wow. Oh, about no even a wagwan no boy. Yeah, yauni. Ah, what by one? Wazua, no block you. And they were magba. Agwan. And then you have so one way gave you. Keep it up. Thank you, my brother. Then you have you, my guy. Me are you wa? Facebook or eken merila ya dagi mene. Oh, the bloggers ya. Me ga le you wa ko ya dagi mene. Eke ila ni go ya me satellite mene. We no ma de. Wa ni ogun gbera gbiye. Ma we awu popa me moten. Only one person me moten. Ma we I have 5 people and they are all millionaires. Me enate a temo or millionaire ever all together they are all millionaire. Eru wala me go ikin timeje. Eru wala me go ikin timeje. I said it in live video. Eru wala me go ikin timeje. You understand? So Donnie hello. What is it? It's off. Oh, sorry. Let me on it. Let me on it. No, it's on. It's on. Just do it like this. Okay. Where's Princess? Give Princess to do it for you. Princess will do it. Princess, sit here. So that is it. If I block who? If I block that, and I don't block her since me block any. If we day your back. Thank you. God bless you. And so thank you everybody. God bless you. Let's put it for tomorrow. Let's put for tomorrow because tomorrow is going to be. Let's put everything for April. Block all bad comment. Thank you. If I don't mind them. Yes. Who they breathe? Nobody. Thank you all. God bless you. So the people I respect every one of you here. I love every one of you here. The day you continue watching this program, the day you continue getting a good success, life, progress, children, money, everything you think about in your life will come in a successful way. You know, you can move more. When you move your mama, give to Princess or give to mama, mama for this. Thank you. Okay. So thank you. If you continue watching this program 24 hours every time we are coming out, don't worry, you will not regret it. And if you are maybe you are lonely, you have depression, just come in. We are going to make you happy. This program is to make women successful, make women have the kind of feeling they're supposed to have in their husband's house. This program will enlighten everybody, plus me. Nobody's perfect. It will enlighten everybody to see that abroad is good. It's a better place that we are today, and we are going to make use of it so that we can do a lot of things in Nigeria. So thank you everybody. God bless you. I will so much respect you. I will not bring you down. If na yes say I take bribe, me una play that record for me anywhere, any day. Because of now, say I dey stand for the truth, I go take bribe. Me na record that something, me na complain for me. Say now my boss, I say okay, give me that money and make I leave you alone. Me na not respect me for my life again. If I dey talk, me na dey stone me. Me na even stone me to death. Because anything bribe, they always they bring person down. I am coming. If you ever. Okay. So, thank you everybody. I love you. God bless you.